Alright, look, I shuffle these cards. Now snap my finger and production 2 queens. This queen of diamonds and queen of hearts. And now spectator take any cards. Maybe your cards. King of clubs. Wow. I take 2 queen, shake it, this 2 queen and search 1 cards. Unbelievable. Of course, this your cards. King of clubs. The king of clubs, putting her like this and squeeze. And now I take this 2 queen, putting her like this, snap my finger and search 1 cards. Of course, this is your cards, King of Clubs. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable nice card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe share this video, why not, maybe your friend magician. And now I teach you really nice card sandwich. It's really nice trick. It's really cool education card magic because I teach you really easy sleight of hand move. So guys, thank you for watching my video and now teach you this trick. Let's go. Alright, for this video I teach you really nice card sandwich. You take any 2 cards. Maybe take queen of hearts and queen of diamonds. It's really why not. So in next step you take this 2 queen and put in her 1 queen face up, 1 queen face down. It's really easy setup. And next step you make any full shuffle. Maybe you take this deck like this and now you make shuffle like this. It's really true shuffle. And now this pile drop it like this. Of course, to control it, this your 2 queen. I repeat, take this deck like this and make a shuffle. Make a shuffle, 7 diamonds jump. And this pile drop it like this. Of course, you control it 2 queen. Right. It's really easy. And next step, you production this 2 queen. Maybe production like this, maybe production like this, maybe production like this. It's really anywhere production. It's really free. You make any production this 2 queen. Maybe production make a top shot like this. Alright. So top shot is really easy card technique. You make you take this deck like this. And now use this finger, move it like this. It's really easy, look. As this card's shot. I repeat, look. It's really easy. It's really easy shot, look. Boom. Make a repeat slow-mo. Right. Stop. Look. Right, look at production this 2 queen, and I use this finger count 2 cards, 1, 2, and make a break and save it your break. And now this queen of diamonds, put in her like this. Right, look at production 2 queen, and now this finger count 2 cards, 1, 2, make a break and save it your break. Right, and now this queen of diamonds, put in her your break. Right, this is queen and random cards, put in her like this, and now you take these 3 cards. 2 queen and 1 random cards face down. I repeat, 2, production 2 queen. Alright, I repeat, production 2 queen. Alright, I repeat, production 2 queen. This finger count 2 cards, make a break, and this queen put in her like this and take these 3 cards. Alright, and put in her like this. Of course, you show with these 2 cards. This is 3 cards. It's really easy. Production, show it, count, take these 3 cards and put in her like this. This is 3 cards. Alright. And next step, spectator take any cards. Alright, now spectator take any cards. Maybe her, maybe your card 7 of clubs. It's really free, it's not forced. Remember these cards, it's really free. And now you control these cards. You make any card control, it's really free. Maybe this pass. Maybe you card control like this. Remember this 6 of spades. And now 6 of spades, squeeze, snap your finger, your cards go. You make any card control. Look, I repeat. Take these cards, turn over, maybe your card 7 of diamonds. Turn over the 7 of diamonds and take these cards. And this card put in her like this. And this pile put in her this pile like this. And squeeze. Of course, your card here. Alright, I repeat, take any cards, maybe her, maybe your card 3 of hearts. Turn over, take these cards, this card put in her, this pile put in her. It's really easy, it's really nice card control. Look, I repeat, take any cards, 8 of diamonds, chick, zhik, and zzz, and squeeze. Alright, and now your cards here. So, next step, you take these 3 cards, like this, and shake it in production 1 cards, I'm sorry. And now you use this finger, count 1 cards and make a break. Shake these cards in production 1 cards. And now you squeeze these 3 cards, and now you take your break 4 cards. Queen, random cards, queen, card spectator. Alright. You take your break and show it. Alright. Take your break and now move it like this. Queen, show it these cards, this is your cards. Take these cards, this is random cards, and queen. Take these 2 queen and take your card, this queen, putting her like this. Of course, this is 3 cards, alright? Take this random cards, this is your cards, putting her like this, squeeze, maybe shuffle, take these 3 cards, of course this is 2 queen. Take this 2 queen, squeeze, putting her like this, and now you move it like this. Use this finger, take these 2 cards, maybe like this, and now you spin these 2 cards and production 1 cards. And now you take this 1 cards, of course this is your cards, 8 of diamonds. It's really easy card trick. Thank you for watching my video, see you later.